Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I'm going to answer this question right here. Should I use LinkedIn Sales Navigator? The answer is yes, if you're seriously prospecting. If you're looking for a tool that can help you do some serious searching and track your activities, then you should consider LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Now, first of all, you need to know, what is a serious prospector? This is someone who's using LinkedIn search tools today, regularly, consistently, and wish it just had a little bit more, maybe more filters and maybe a few more features. Now, don't subscribe to Sales Navigator to overcome the commercial use limit. That's the wrong reason to use Sales Navigator. You can go to Business Premium to overcome that. If you think you need Sales Navigator, then I recommend that you get a 2-month subscription. The first month will be free if you sign up the right way for a 30-day eval. And during that evaluation period, practice. What I really encourage you to do is become familiar with the application, get familiar with the features, and most importantly, get familiar with these 10 things. Number 1, what are saved accounts? Get familiar with how Sales Navigator plays a role in your sales process. And maybe it starts with saved accounts. Get familiar with saved leads. Understand who should be a saved lead and who shouldn't. Not everybody needs to be a saved lead. You want to save them if you want to pay attention to them in Sales Navigator. Number 3, build your structured tags. You should do this up front. Clearly understand how are you going to code or tag your leads, both your accounts and the leads themselves, so you understand when you look at those tags who is who and where are they in your process. Experiment with the navigation within Sales Navigator. It's a little different than LinkedIn, but you need to get used to, where do I do it in LinkedIn and where do I do it in Sales Navigator, and how can I jump back and forth easiest. And you also need to get used to, what are all the features that are on the different pages and hidden behind those 3 dots. And number 5, experiment with all the filters. There's a bunch of them, far more than there are in LinkedIn. So understand how you can use them, how you can use Boolean strings in them so you get the greatest value from searching and doing research in Sales Navigator. Number 6, experiment with saved searches, both in LinkedIn and in Sales Navigator. You can have up to 3 in each. So understand how you should use them. By the way, unique saved searches in Sales Navigator and LinkedIn get you the greatest results. Number 7, experiment with the messaging within Sales Navigator and LinkedIn. It's the same basic messaging. However, the messages that you do in LinkedIn are not going to show up in Sales Navigator and vice versa. Number 8, experiment with the mobile apps. There is an app for Sales Navigator and there's an app for LinkedIn. Understand how to use them. Get efficient using them and know what you should do in the apps versus what you should do in the web browser. Number 9, build the use of Sales Navigator and LinkedIn into your sales processes. You need to know where you're going to be using what during your calling, your emailing, your prospecting and of clients and targets. And number 10, yes, pay attention to your social selling index and other LinkedIn KPIs so that you can measure, are you getting the value that you want to be getting using these business tools. You want to get serious using Sales Navigator? Heck, you want to get serious using LinkedIn? Then let's talk. I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I hope that was helpful.